Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Materialize CSS complete full tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is part 2 of the series. Today we are going to do installation, get the basic setup running, and we will hit the road to build a nice awesome project based on Materialize CSS. Before that, let's get started. Before I start, as always, continue to shower your love, your support to me and my channel. Please do like, share, comment on the videos. Please, if you like my work, buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. Part 2 of the series. Today we are doing installation. Now, what is Materialize CSS? Materialize CSS is a modern front-end framework that provides responsive web design components based on Google Material Design. It's a good alternative if you don't want to use Bootstrap. Again, a lot of enterprises are preferring Materialize CSS because they want to get the look and feel of material design, but don't want to use Angular or the same framework, right, that goes with it. So anyway, it's good to learn. It's a great framework, comes with a lot of components. It has a lot of promise, and you should learn so that you can use it in your projects as well. All right. So now there are three types of ways to include installation. The first and the foremost simplest way is to go with the content delivery network CDN, which is nothing but copying the JavaScript and the CSS link into our project. The second is to download the entire source code, which is based on SAS, and you can build it locally or in the pipeline and then use the output. This approach is taken by enterprises when they want to optimize certain components or improve the performance by ignoring few components, etc. So what we are going to do is we are going to go with CDN approach because our idea is to learn. So Materialize CSS, go to the official website materializecss.com, click on getting started and scroll down below. You will see the CDN links. This is the CSS link, this is the JavaScript link. So what we can do is just copy them both and go to our project folder, and here I'm creating a new one, Materialize CSS, and in this let's create a new one and say index.html, doc type HTML, head, body tag, and inside the head we will throw in the CDN links that we just copied. Alright, so perfect, save it. Now let's do a simplest test possible. Welcome to learning Materialize CSS. Let's see how this one spins out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal it in the Finder and then right click and just do open with Chrome. Alright, so this is how it is, but how do we know whether it's working or not, or the installation was successful or not? So I'm going to copy just quickly these buttons to see if they appear like this, and if it does, that means the installation is good and we are good to start putting together the components. Alright, okay, so let's go ahead and refresh this page and we see the buttons, the animation, that is the hover effect, the gradient, everything perfect, right? Just like the icons are missing. Okay, we'll fix that as we move because that's using fav icons. Okay, sorry, it's using material icons, so we need to get that also along with this, so that's why it didn't come. We'll fix that as we move, but so far as part of the installation we are good. We are able to get the desired output. All right, so we did the content delivery network, we coded and we got the basic setup done. That's good. In the next episode we'll talk about typography. I'll try and cover as much details on Materialize CSS as possible for you. That being said, thank you so much for joining. Let's pump it up and learn Materialize CSS. Thank you so much.